In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Webflow Ecommerce in just 5 minutes. Whether you're launching a new store or looking to expand your current offerings, adding products effectively is crucial. So let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible for you. First, you'll need to start by heading over to Webflow. If you're unfamiliar, Webflow is a powerful tool that allows you to design, build, and launch responsive websites visually. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking to create a custom website without the need to write code. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Simply locate the login button and enter your credentials to gain access to your dashboard. If you're having any trouble logging in, double-check your username and password to ensure they're correct. Now that you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This is your control center, offering a broad view of all your projects and settings. Look for the project you want to work on today. Clicking on your project will open up its specific workspace, giving you access to all of its features and settings. Once you're inside the project, the next step is to navigate to the CMS, which stands for Content Management System. The CMS is designed to accommodate all your dynamic content needs, and it's where you'll manage your product listings today. You should see a CMS option somewhere on the left-hand menu, so go ahead and click on that. After accessing the CMS, you'll want to locate the Product section. This is where all the magic happens. In the Products area, you'll not only see your current offerings, but also have the ability to manage them, updating pricing, availability, descriptions, and more. To add a new product, you're going to click on Add Items. This button is easy to spot and will prompt a new screen where you can input all the details about your product. Here, you can enter the product name, upload images, set the price, and write a compelling description to highlight its features and benefits. Be thorough and accurate here, as this information will directly influence your customers' purchasing decisions. Remember, clear images and detailed descriptions can significantly enhance the appeal of your product. And there you have it. You've just added a product to your Webflow e-commerce site. It's that simple. Make sure to take a moment to review your entry for any typos or errors before saving it. Repeat this process for each additional product you wish to add, and you'll have your products live in no time. I hope you found this guide helpful. With these steps, you can efficiently manage and expand your product catalog on Webflow, ensuring a smooth and engaging experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!